Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check communities on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, if you want to check the communities about the game, go to the upper bar, click the megaphone icon under the next to the money, and here click to the second button, the communities, and here you can find different YouTube videos. You can find Instagram, YouTube, Facebook or Twitter profile. If you want to check a video, just click to the play button and you can see that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.